Fy enw fi yw Noah Abraham Thomas. Rwy'n mynd i ysgol Cymraeg Rhag.
I moved to Wales from Scotland about 11 years ago and heard lots of people speak Welsh at work. I thought, oh, this sounds quite cool. Then I discovered that you could send your kid to a Welsh school for free, the same as an English school. Noah is Welsh, he was born in Wales, so it makes sense that he goes to a Welsh speaking school. He's very passionate about being Welsh, he loves it, he thinks it's like a superpower. He loves being able to speak it, and in the beginning it was funny because he knew that we couldn't speak Welsh, so he loved it that he could do it and we couldn't.
Diolch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mae'n really hoffi trio dysgu Cymraeg I mam a dad.
Pre-pandemic, homework was fine. That was my biggest concern, sending him to a Welsh school, that I would be able to help him at home, because you naturally want to help your kids. But it comes home bilingually, so that was fine. At no point during the pandemic have I thought we've made the wrong decision sending him to a Welsh school. We've had support from teachers and other people, which has made it easier, but actually as a parent, if you want your child to be bilingual, you do need to put a little bit of effort in, and that's what we've done. We've brought him up in an environment where he loves to learn, and he can choose between English and Welsh in terms of the future as well, you know, where he wants to work, jobs, universities, all these things. He'll be snapped up because he's bilingual.
And y top does na ddewluoedd.
Yeah, da iawn.
You know, you just get so excited for him. I think I've given you this opportunity to be a whole other person, and you love it. He loves being Welsh, I love that he can speak Welsh. And I just get so excited when I hear him, especially when I hear him singing Welsh. It just makes me cry instantly.
Mae'n bwysig I pawb siarad Cymraeg achos ni'n byw mewn Cymru a mae hynna'n iaith dy hunain.